Hello, good morning. My name is Rokli Kiran Ashok. Today's date is 21 July 2021. Our Viva topic today's our Viva topic is what is array and in details. So we have discussed about the array before we are going to array. We have discussed about array. So there are two types of data types, like primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So array is a primitive data types like float, int, double, byte, etc. And non-primitive data types like strings, array, union. But union is not a part of Java. So array is included non-primitive data types. So what is mean by array? What is array? So array is a collection of similar data types. Array is a collection of similar data types. Like array is mostly using similar data types using Java language. For example, suppose what is the syntax of array? Suppose we have created the array variable name int data types, and then variable name suppose a, whatever, it depends upon you. We have put in this this place is equal to array size declare, suppose 5 size declare. So we have created the array. Suppose we have created the array. Firstly int a is equal to array size 5. So we have declared the array is declare the array size in starting the program. We have not changed the size at runtime because of array is a fixed size. So we have declared the size. Firstly, we have not changed the size in between runtime program. So there are two ways of array declaration. Firstly, single dimensional array and single dimensional array and or one dimensional array, and second two dimensional array, and third multi-dimensional array. So one dimensional array is mostly using one dimensional array is a most one dimensional array is declare the size and using only one array. So what is the declaration and creation of one dimensional array? Suppose we have created the array int a is equal to int data types and then variable name a. So a whatever, b, c whatever, it depends upon you, is equal to new int size of array, suppose 5. So we have put the value in program, and then output receive to as per declaration of size. So we have using for loop. Suppose for I is equal to 0, I is less than a dot length, and I plus plus. Suppose we have declared to size it's 5. So by using for loop, we have for loop. So we have output is create to 1 to 0 to 4 values, 0 1 2 3 4. It's a one dimensional array. And then two dimensional array. Two dimensional array means we have create array of array, means two dimensional array. Two dimensional array is what is the declaration and creation of two dimensional array? So int a is equal to int array of array, means two signs of array is two signs of array means two square bracket is equal to variable name suppose b, c whatever, is equal to new int and declare to size of columns and size of arrays. Suppose we have create two columns and three rows. So we have create the array in two dimensional array. So what is the declaration of array? So we have create the array in create the variable name int is int array of array, variable name b is equal to new int 3 array and 3 columns. So we have created the array in two-dimensional array. So two-dimensional array is mostly used in matrix calculations like addition and multiplication. uh, Two-dimensional array is mostly used in matrix calculation to find the inner element and outer element, etc. So next, multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional means we have created the three arrays. Suppose we have declare an creation of array. So int a variable name, int array size, int array sign, array 3 times array is equal to variable name a is equal to new int. So about one row, one column. So we have declared the size of column and row. Suppose 3, 2 and 6. So we have create the array in three dimensional multiple dimensional array. So array is a mostly used in various methods, various ways of array. So sorting techniques in include in array. So we have created the bubble sort. There are various ways of array declare to and declare the array. So we have suppose we have create the selection. We have find out the array. Suppose like selection sort, bubble sort, bucket sort, etc. So array size, suppose we have declared the array size is negative, so it execution, so it is not execute the program, because we have not declared the size in array as a negative sign, so its problem occurs at runtime. So what is the advantage and disadvantage of array? That is firstly, advantage of array. Advantage of array code, it is easy to code optimization in array, and random access is the most important advantage in array. Then the disadvantage of array. It is a major disadvantage of array. So we have create the array firstly, and we have we have fixed the size. Suppose we have fixed the size 5. So we have not create the not change the size and in runtime program. So it is a major disadvantage of array. So array is mostly used in Java language. So we have changed the size, but we have not changed the size, because we have already fixed the size in starting the program, but we have not changed the runtime. We have not changed the size in runtime. So it's all over about the array in Java. Thank you so much.